Hello, I would like to welcome you to our 7th tutorial, which will focus on heating. The target of this tutorial is to show how you can make a heating or cooling schedule and allocate heating or cooling areas. In this project we use our touch display unit ELKO, which also uses the screen as the thermostat. Because the ELKO unit hasn't got a temperature sensor, we will take the information about the temperature from our wall switch button WSB40, which has an integrated temperature sensor inside. Also, we will use one button on the ELKO unit for the setup of heating mode to the comfortable level. First of all, we need to create a new floor with the name heating. In the management screen, we open System Manager and the bookmark System Programs. Click on the plus button to add new system program. In our case, we need to use the heat-cool program. The name of this schedule is program bedroom. It depends on you. In our system, it depends on you how many programs you want to have in your project. You can use one program for the whole project or a different one for different areas. The type of my program is heating. You can also choose cooling or combination. It's also up to you. Here you can see also change the value for heating and cooling levels. In our systems, we can change between the preset levels. Here you can change the time of the timestamp by changing the numbers, or you can take the timeline and move it to where you need it. By clicking on the chart, you can change the level of program. If you click on the right button somewhere on the chart, you will see the option for copying programs to the another days. For example, I want to use this program for all week. If you are finished, there is necessary to confirm it. The second step is important to make the areas. In general, we can say one areas for each room. In my case, the room is bedroom. The chosen program has been created before, and the heat output is, in my case, relay number 6. The temperature sensor will be from WSB40 unit, and as a controller we will use the unit ELKO. We can also set up the hysteresis, but it's up to you. Confirm, and now we can add the icon on the desktop. Heating is really very easy, and especially for heating we don't need to have any icons here. Everything that is necessary to do with it in the system manager. But we want to use button on the ELKO unit for comfort mode, so we put one button and one central unit. Central unit has the icon is for counters, timers, and also for system programs. In our case, we will use it for system program as heating. For the switching of comfort mode, we need to create new function with the name comfort to stamp. Type is heat-cool and function set comfort to timestamp. Button will be assigned with SW4 of ELKO unit, and then we make a connection between SW4 and the central unit. The name of the wire is, in my case, for example, bedroom comfort to timestamp. By a long press, we want to set up the comfort mode until the next timestamp in the heating program. Now we can save the project, upload to the central unit, and that's all.